So today I will talk on some of the some advanced features and newest features that have been introduced into ChatGPT. They are not just very new; they have been quite a few weeks that these features have been, introduced in ChatGPT. So as the AI usage is getting, more and more, so all the AI tools, preferably these ChatGPT, they are being more improved. Their responses and the answers are getting much more reformed, and there are a lot of changes that are making it more and more helpful. So previously, when we used to give a prompt in ChatGPT regarding anything, it just provided us an answer by just searching in itself, using its own different modes. But now it has given you a multiple options. Like one option is you can just put a query and it will generate an answer from you just across all the resources that are available online. Now it gives you some specific ways of generating answers. Say for example, I have just written this prompt already here, like I have given a proper prompt that act as a senior physician endocrinologist and answer my queries from the available high quality medical literature. I'm being very specific to ChatGPT, and my question is then in double commas I'm writing my question, and that is, what's the current best evidence on the use of the semaglutide, which is a new oral weekly GLP-1 RA receptor. Those who are dealing with medicine and diabetes know this drug, and also provide some research gaps and ideas on this drug and its application. Now that's my prompt. If I click on this arrow, it will obviously give me an answer. If I want ChatGPT to give me the best answer, obviously I will just make some 10 things and cross check it. Now second option is I can click on this search button. Look at this whole the map world is here. It means if you click on this whatever the query you have given, whatever the prompt you have given, now ChatGPT will search for that query across the internet, and it will search your Google and all these search features and then bring up the answers from you. Third option is this way, this light bulb is, and this is the reason option. Now say for example, if you are studying on something, doing research on something, or you have any kind of just random any routine thought that you wish to know the reason of, or you know actually the mechanism of something, that how this drug works, or how this mechanism works, like how the sunlight works in producing vitamin D, like how photosensitivity works. So if you want to need the exact background reasons, deeper analysis of something related to science and anything, you can then, if you click on reason, it will give you the deeper mechanisms. So say for example, I click on this search option. Say for example, I'm just click on this search option, then click on this arrow. So now ChatGPT will give me the answers from the internet and from the multiple sources on this Google. So now see, when I ask it to search from across the web, so it has given me this detailed answer about the semaglutide. I'm not reading this all. So it giving me the current evidence. Here it is. Current evidence semaglutide regarding its role in glycemic control, weight reduction, cardiovascular outcomes, adverse. Then it gives me the option about the research gaps and future directions. Then it gives me a more detailed. So this is the same thing about that. What can you do? It's like you can develop the weekly oral formulations, long-term safeties, neuroprotective effects, addiction treatment. So there are many things that I can really search on. Now, if I wish to use this reason option, I can ask it to, like I'm asking now for some deeper mechanism related questions, that how this drug helps the addiction, and I click on this reason. Even I did not know that this semaglutide helps and it has some role in addiction. So let's see that now I have asked it from the reason column that how it works. Now it is exploring the semaglutide for addiction. Now it is looking for some reasons from different literatures, and now in this reason option, that it will give you a precise mechanism, or the what things are behind that certain result. Like now it have responded that semaglutide addiction in like semaglutide primarily has a role in glycemic and weight reduction, but is now being explored for its potential in treating addictive behaviors, and how that now it gives that how it does. It actually go for more the research gaps and future directions like this. So there are many things like that, and you can use this. Now it will give you a reference as is at the end, and then summary. And third option is this voice. If you click on this, you just ask it anything in a voice mode, just like you ask about the from Google in a voice. So you can just ask in any question or summarize anything, and it will give you the answer. So I hope that these new features, if someone is not using them, is not aware of them, it will be help for them. in their different tasks. So go and explore yourself these options and learn more. Thank you.